Okay, I think I'm live. Just a second and let me recheck if I'm live or not. Okay, let me share my screen with you all. I think my screen is visible to every one of you. Let me recheck. Yeah, it is visible. Let me read the problem statement. Given a string S consisting of lowercase English letters for every character whose first and last occurrence are at different positions, calculate the sum of ASCII values of characters strictly between its first and last occurrence. Return all such non-zero sums. Order does not matter. Okay. Character A and B appear at most more than once. Okay. Between position 1 and 5. Okay. See, what I can do is, mm, first of all, see, uh, okay, I have to make this like I have to calculate the sum between two certain points, right? Leave that condition of first and last occurrence. The main thing is I have to calculate the sum between two different points. Okay, so from this point to this point, can I use something like prefix sum? Because I have to calculate the sum, right? So that is for sure that we are going to use prefix sum in this. Okay. Now the main thing is how we are going to find the duplicate characters, like the first occurrence and the last occurrence. So can we use map to store, or can we use two different arrays to store the occurrence of uh, these two characters? Let's see. I have small a here. Can we use like 26 characters, vector of vectors, okay, and like vector um, first occurrence and vector last occurrence. I'll calculate the vector. I'll start from the left side, and also I'll start from the right side. Okay, 26 is not a big deal. It's a very small thing, right? Okay, that is I can do. Okay, okay. I think that way I can do it. Let me just um, first of all let me make a prefix sum. Okay, prefix sum array. So what I have to do? I have to simple and is equal to s dot length or size. Okay, prefix sum of length and plus one. Also, I'll keep a vector to keep track of all the characters. So uh, that will be r of size 26. Okay. Now what? First of all, I have to calculate somehow the tracking of first and last occurrence, right? Let's suppose the tracking of the first and last occurrence is nothing but uh, okay. Uh, how we are going to calculate it? Okay, first of all, let's keep it -1. Okay, I'll check that for int I is equal to when I is smaller than n I plus plus. Okay, simple int I dx is nothing but S of I minus 1 minus A. Okay. Now what? If there is no element in, if there is no element in that index, then it is for sure that it is for sure that if there is no element in that index, it is for sure that we can put the first occurrence in that element, right? Rather than this, I can make it as this. Okay, great. And ideas is this. Now talking about the first occurrence, uh, A double R of IDX empty. If it is empty, what I can do, I can simple ADX of area of IDX dot pushback I. Simple. And also, what is going to be the last index? It is going to be same, because for now it is same. Okay, for now it is same, the first occurrence and the last occurrence. But what if I'll find again that element? Then I'll update the last index as idx equal to I. Great. Acha, idx of I1, 1 is equal to I. Great. Now, in this loop only, can we update the prefix sum? Prefix sum of I is nothing but prefix sum of I minus 1 plus is equal to this. Okay. Sorry. Plus is equal to this plus S of I minus 1. Okay. This way I can calculate the prefix sum. Now I have the starting and the ending index. I have the prefix sum. Simple calculate from the first element to the last element. Okay. Okay. What I need to do? Okay. If A double R is not empty, A double R of I is not empty, then there is the first occurrence and the last occurrence. That is the for sure. Okay. And first occurrence is nothing but A double R of I of 0, comma. Last occurrence is nothing but A double R of I of 1. Okay, you can also use something like pair intent. That is going to, if this is complex frame, you can do this. If first is not equal to last, then only go into this condition and update it. And sum is nothing but sum of um, and minus 1 minus prefix sum of first. Okay, if sum is greater than 0, just add answer dot push back sum. Okay, return the value of answer. I think this should work, right? Let me see if it is working or not. There is some compilation error. No, no compilation errors. Okay, let me just submit this code and see if it is working or not. Compilation error. I knew it. There is some compilation errors. No issues. Let me recheck and see what is the compilation error. IDX T EMPTY. Just why didn't I get the compilation error at that time? Okay, let me submit and see if it is working or not. If there is any compilation error, yeah, I knew this. I have updated this. There is internet connection or not? I'm live, right? Yeah, I have updated, but why it is showing still like this? No issues. Let me just refresh this page. Okay, submit the code. It is working completely fine. Now I can take some other example. Okay, let me take some other example. Just write this. See if it is working. Yeah, it is working completely fine. Let me submit this code and see. Okay, there was some network issue. So sorry for the interruption. No issues. I don't know why this is giving me error. Let me just submit this code once because let me refresh this page because I have updated that issue already. Okay, let me submit this code. I don't know why this is not working because I've already updated this. This is the issue of the compiler. One second. Let me open this in new tab. One second. I don't know why this error is coming again. Line number 10. Oh, this side also, right? EMPTY. I'm so sorry. Let me see if this is working now or not. If there is more compilation errors. Okay, there is one more compilation error. Line number 30. And invalid prints. Last. Okay. I have used and last first. Why it is not showing when I'm compiling this?
Yeah, it passed all test cases. There were simple like spelling issues, not much like important or much serious issues. Thank you so much for watching.